2019 Kia Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, front-wheel drive, bucket seats, power door locks, child safety locks, MP3 player, trip computer, power windows. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.